Due to the election in February, the preliminary matches of PSL are likely to be held in which countries? A big claim. Due to the election, a suggestion has been made to hold the opening matches of Pakistan Super League Season 9 abroad. The names of South Africa and Dubai are being considered for the venue. According to private TV Jienews, the meeting of the PSL Governing Council is going to be held today at the PCB headquarters, during which important decisions regarding the location and start of the PSL are expected. Chairman PCB Management Committee will preside over the meeting at the National Cricket Academy. Zaka Ashraf will conduct. Representatives of 6 franchises will also participate in the meeting. Due to the general elections in Pakistan, the proposal to hold the inaugural matches abroad has come up. South Africa and Dubai have been suggested for the venue. The majority of the franchises are in favor of holding the full PSL in Pakistan. And other issues will also be discussed.